SpaceX made the world's tallest rocket a reality on Friday when it stacked its Starship prototype rocket on top of Super Heavy booster for the first time. The initial news of the full stack said that it should have been done in July, but there has been a lot of happening in the company like assembling the rocket engine and more. The private rocket company is gearing up for the first orbital test flight for its two-stage Starship system, a spacecraft it hopes will carry out the future missions to the Moon and Mars. On Friday, SpaceX CEO Elon Musk shared photos of Starship fully stacked on its orbital launch pad at the company's facility in Boca Chica, Texas, United States. In case you are wondering, the fully stacked Starship and the Super Heavy booster stands at 120 meters tall or 393 feet. The Starship section of the rocket stands at about 160 feet tall and lifts off on the top of the Super Heavy booster. Together, the Starship reaches nearly 393 feet, surpassing NASA's Saturn V rocket that stood at 363 feet. It is the tallest rocket ship on the planet right now, and according to BBC, it even surpasses the height of the Saturn V, Falcon Heavy, and SLS Block 1. SpaceX plans to launch the Starship into the Earth orbit for the first time, although it's unclear when the launch might take place. The Super Heavy rocket is designed to be reusable first-stage booster to carry Starship into the orbit. The reusable rocket technology is key for driving down the cost of the space exploration. The booster will separate mid-air about 3 minutes into the flight and carry out a controlled landing in the Gulf of Mexico. After completing a trip around the Earth, the Starship will plunge back into the atmosphere over Hawaii and attempt to nail a powered landing. Several Starship prototypes have successfully carried out controlled landing earlier this year. And with SpaceX fully stacked Starship, it is one step closer to its goal of heading to red planet Mars. So what do you think? When do you think the first orbital launch will be happening? Will it be this month or maybe next month?